Hey everyone, and welcome to WTF Is Corepack. You might already be using a common version manager such as NVM or N for different installations of Node.js on the same machine. Using a Node version manager is especially convenient when switching between different projects at work or when contributing to open source software. What about the respective package managers of those projects? Do you remember which project uses which package manager? What about their versions? In order to alleviate headaches with all of this, Node version 16.9.0 has introduced a special tool called Corepack. It acts as a package manager, and it allows you to use yarn and pnpm without having to install them, and it also ensures that only the pinned version of a package manager can be used in order to prevent corrupted log files or artifacts, which also makes the onboarding process of new colleagues a breeze. Let's see this in action by heading into the following simple package.json file that is only a single dependency. I personally like to use pnpm, but trying to run pnpm install, we get told that the command cannot be found and it is not recognized because pnpm isn't installed yet. We can now run the command corepack enable, which will install some scripts, allowing us to run pnpm directly and install those dependencies using pnpm install. However, there is still a small issue right now. Corepack doesn't intervene if you attempt to run a different package manager from the same directory, such as yarn. So attempting to run yarn install will work. It will create its own log file and mess around with the node modules folder. So let's clean this up by deleting the log files and the node modules folder. To prevent running the wrong package manager in the first place, we can now pin the package manager of our choice, just like a dependency, by heading into our editor. No, I'm not going to use Vim here, of course not. We are going to add a new key called package manager with our package manager of choice and the respective version number. Following this, we can return back to our terminal and install the dependencies using pnpm install. Next, we'll attempt to do the same with yarn install. And we are warned that we are attempting to run the wrong package manager. Another really useful feature is the handling of different versions for package managers. Let's imagine that a colleague has pushed a change that intentionally changes the currently pinned version of pnpm to version 7.4.0. When I run the command pnpm-version, you will notice that it takes a moment to run the command and will suddenly see the changed version number. Corepack will automatically download, install, and activate the pinned version. This is especially convenient when paired with automated updates using Renovate, which will bump the newest version in the package.json, and you will be able to continue running pnpm commands without having to go through a manual update process. Alright, that's all I've got for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, and until then, take care.